Alright guys, now we're gonna continue. I'm gonna install a couple things on the chip so I can run my script that I wrote. So first of all, I'm gonna have to install pip. So yeah, let's see how that works. To get some packages, and alright, it's gonna take a while. Has to upgrade, install. I'll come back to it. I had to install some of these dependencies, libraries, so let's get on with it. So we're gonna use pip to install all of these, and hopefully it will work. Okay, so we need numpy, that's for sure. Nice. Alright, we need pill. No, maybe. Awesome, we found it. That's a good sign. Alright, we'll see if that worked. Then we need this library called Twython. I know what it is. We should have went with sudo. Let's see, Twython. It's gonna work. Oh, wait a second, I didn't put in sudo. Damn it. Okay, so that went through nicely. Okay, next one we need is pyowm. pyowm. Okay, and I'm pretty sure that JSON is in there, but you know. And now the big problem is I need to install OpenCV, and I'm not sure. I don't remember how I'd done it before. So JSON is already in there. So I'm just gonna shoot in the dark. Say OpenCV and see if that helps out. If not, we're gonna figure it out. Right. Okay. So that didn't help. Alright guys, I did a little digging. We're gonna try something else. My chip is already updated, and but it doesn't hurt. I updated it like 2 days ago, so I don't think a lot of it changed. But anyway, just run this command first. Basically, it's gonna go through the process of checking everything, and you know, if there's something to download, it will download. So then it's almost done, and this is a command that I'm gonna run. Hopefully it's gonna install OpenCV. So awesome. All right, that was super easy. I gotta put that somewhere in comments. So yeah, I'll just say and I already forgot what I did. So I did the install pip, and then pip install all of packages, and then I ran this command. So I'll put it somewhere in comments so I know next time I have my chip getting crazy, and then I have to flash it and start from the scratch, and I didn't build any documentation. So yeah, guys, build documentation, or at least write it in the comments. Put it somewhere where you can find it easily, because I know I wrote it somewhere, but who knows where it is. It's in some file called adfbc, something like that, and you know, at the time it sounded really smart, but then afterwards, you know, kind of wasn't. So we'll wait for, oh, this is already done. Wow, that was amazingly fast. Alright, so I think this is a good time to transfer the file to, oh no, damn it, from here and test it out. So I'm just gonna transfer the file, upload, okay. Alrighty then, and then I'm just gonna run it. So let's see, unless the file is here, so I'm just gonna do Python and the name of the file, and hopefully, oh damn it, we'll see if it works. Okay. Yes, we gotta get the fill installed. So let's see. Maybe the same way we installed the. It's gonna work. Oh, okay, that worked. Wow. All right, that's cool. Okay, let's see if this is gonna work now. Okay, so all right, I think we got a tweet. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, wow, there it is. There it is. That's the tweet. That's the tweet. 11 seconds ago. Awesome. Let's run it one more time. I'm so psyched. All right. Going. All right. Alright, how do we refresh here? I hit this Windows 10 app, what a hell. Alright, and there it is, another one. Okay, awesome. So that works. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna walk you quickly through the code that I used to do this. This script is actually part of the bigger script that was doing a lot of things, so basically I ripped out a ton of stuff, so I just kept the basic functionality of it. So here I import the random library because I'm gonna have to randomly choose a line which I'm gonna use. I import operating system stuff, numpy for working with arrays, and CV for working with images and computer vision. Then I have a library called Twython, which actually enables me to tweet. After that, I have a library called pyowm, which enables me to pull temperature from certain locations. Then I have a JSON that I don't think I use anymore. I used to, but that's it. And then I have a variable tweet. That's actually where I put a string that I'm going to tweet. And then I instance the pyowm. This is where you would put your token. I'm gonna put the link in the description how to do that stuff. Then for Twitter, you also need application key, application secret key, authentication token, and secret authentication token. I'm gonna leave in the description how you can get those. Basically, you register up with your Twitter account. Okay, so then afterwards I get a couple of functions that do different stuff. Basically, this one gets temperature from Chicago and returns that temperature. Then I have a function that opens a file, reads lines, and then I choose random line then I'm gonna use as a tweet. In case I'm not able to open a file, I just go with generic line. Then next I have a line that a function that basically takes those two, the temperature and the tweet, and makes another string, concatenates it, and then that's a string that's gonna go into the tweet. Then I have a function that's called tweet photo. Basically, I open up an image and I tweet the tweet. Basically, I add the media, that's image I'm gonna use, and then a status, that's the tweet I created earlier using the function makeTwiit. And then there is a function called video f, where basically I call all these other functions. First of all, I create a queue where I read from image device, that's in my case USB device. Then I write the frame that I get from that device to the twiit.jpg, and then I get a tweet. That's opening a file here. Then I make a tweet, that's concatenating the tweet that I got from the file, and then the temperature, and then I tweet the photo. That's actually I update the Twitter with the photo and the Twitter status. And then actually this is where everything is called upon. I declare the device that's going to be opened up, from which we're going to read frames, and I call this function that calls all other functions from the top, and then it tweets. And then after everything is done, I release the device, because if you don't do that, then next time around you won't be able to access it because you didn't release it. And that's basically the quick breakdown of the code. So basically that's how my code works. I'm gonna post all this, little link in the description for everything. But basically that's how I created like a little robot that tweets stuff. You can use that, I don't know, to tweet about your cat. You can basically combine this with like a motion sensor. So like if you have a cat or a dog and they do funny stuff, you can like tweet it out right away. Anyway, so I just wanted to like showcase how this works. In my case, basically I opened up a Chrome tab on c.h.i.p and set up like certain times when that's gonna happen. I'm gonna show that maybe in the next video or add to this one, I'm not sure, but basically that's how it works. I got a little script that calls this script, and it is what it is. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like it. If you didn't, dislike it. See you next time, and let's tweet funny stuff or interesting stuff. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.